After 50, many people experience fatigue, sluggish digestion, or dull skin and attribute it to age. But in reality, there's an organ that's silently screaming: the liver. This organ works day and night filtering toxins, regulating hormones, and aiding your digestion. But over the years, stress, medications, and diet overload it. And when your liver is saturated, you feel it: lack of energy, insomnia, irritability, brain fog, signs that many ignore. Today I'll show you how to support it naturally to regain your energy and vitality from within. If you're interested in your well-being, subscribe and activate the bell. Leave a like and share this video with someone who needs it. Now, let's look at why the liver changes so much after 50 and how to help it without complications. After 50, the liver asks for help. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body and also one of the quietest. It filters the blood, eliminates toxins, regulates metabolism, and breaks down fats and hormones. But after age 50, its regenerative capacity begins to decline. For decades, the liver has been working tirelessly. It has processed ultra-processed foods, alcohol, medications, environmental pollutants, and pent-up emotions. All of this leaves its mark. Over time, this organ can become sluggish and overloaded, like a dirty filter in need of cleaning. Furthermore, the body's natural aging reduces the production of certain liver enzymes, making their work more difficult. If we don't support this, symptoms appear that affect quality of life: exhaustion, indigestion, insomnia, dull skin, and lack of motivation. The good news is that you don't need expensive treatments. With natural foods, herbal teas, and simple habits, you can revitalize your liver. By detoxifying it, it regains its strength, and your body reflects this with more energy, well-being, and real vitality. Silent signs you should never ignore. The liver doesn't hurt. It doesn't scream or complain. But when something isn't right, it manifests itself through other bodily signals that many people don't know how to interpret. After 50, it's common to feel constant fatigue even upon waking. Digestion slows, stomach bloating easily, and gas appears for no apparent reason. You may also notice your skin is drier, duller, or has spots that weren't there before. Another common sign is brain fog, difficulty concentrating, frequent forgetfulness, or a feeling of mental sluggishness. Bad mood, unexplained irritability, or even insomnia between 2 and 4 a.m. can also be signs that your liver is overworking. The most important thing is not to ignore these symptoms. They're not just a thing that comes with age, they're messages from your body. And the sooner you recognize them, the easier it is to reverse them with small adjustments. Listening to your body is the first act of self-care. And when you know what to look for, you can begin to make decisions that truly change your well-being from within. Foods that cleanse and renew your liver. One of the most effective ways to support your liver is through food. What you eat can be your medicine or your poison. And after 50, making informed choices has a profound impact on your health. The following foods have specific properties that help cleanse, regenerate, and strengthen the liver. Raw garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for eliminating toxins. You can chop it and let it sit for 10 minutes before eating it to enhance its effects. Lemon in warm water, drinking it on an empty stomach stimulates bile production and improves digestion. It also helps alkalize the body. Turmeric, one of the most powerful antioxidants. It reduces liver inflammation and protects cells from oxidative damage. You can add it to soups, stews, or drinks. Beets, rich in antioxidants and nutrients that support blood and liver cleansing. Raw or cooked, they are a powerful ally. Spinach, high in chlorophyll, it helps eliminate toxins and heavy metals. Ideal in green smoothies or stir-fries. Asparagus, they have a diuretic effect and help the body eliminate excess ammonia, which relieves liver strain. Avocado stimulates the natural production of glutathione, an essential antioxidant that directly participates in liver detoxification. Artichoke activates bile and improves fat digestion. It can be eaten cooked, steamed, or in natural preparations. Bitter greens, such as arugula, watercress, or escarole. They help activate the digestive system and stimulate the liver to function better. Water-rich fruits, papaya, watermelon, kiwi, grapes, all support hydration and help the body gently eliminate toxins. You can also enhance the benefits by combining several of these ingredients in smoothies, creams, soups, or salads. For example, a spinach salad with avocado, lemon, and seeds can be a delicious detox lunch. Or a beet, green apple, and ginger juice in the morning helps cleanse without damaging your gut. Remember, every added value brings you closer to a more vital version of yourself. Infusions and juices that detoxify. In addition to solid foods, herbal teas and natural beverages can be great allies for cleansing and supporting the liver. Many medicinal plants have purifying, anti-inflammatory, and regenerative effects that you can easily take advantage of at home. Here are the most effective ones. Dandelion. This plant stimulates bile production and is a powerful natural diuretic. It helps eliminate toxins and reduces abdominal bloating. It's ideal to drink a cup on an empty stomach or before main meals. Milk thistle contains silymarin, an antioxidant that regenerates damaged liver cells and protects the liver from oxidative stress. It's one of the most studied plants for the natural treatment of liver diseases. You can use it in capsules or as an infusion. Artichoke. Artichoke leaves improves fat digestion and activates bile production. It's very helpful if you suffer from indigestion or high cholesterol. You can prepare an infusion with 1 teaspoon of dried leaves per cup of hot water. Boldo. It has cholagogue, stimulates bile secretion, and anti-inflammatory effects. It's also relaxing, making it ideal for nighttime use. It's recommended not to use it for more than 2 consecutive weeks. Chamomile. Although it's best known for its calming effect, it also aids digestion and reduces mild liver inflammation. Combined with mint or ginger, it enhances its digestive action. Mint, refreshing, relieves gas, and helps the liver process fats more efficiently. Taking it after heavy meals can make a difference. Tips for preparing effective infusions: use hot, but not boiling, water to avoid destroying the active ingredients. Cover the cup while steeping to preserve the essential oils. Let it steep for 7 to 10 minutes. Do not sweeten with refined sugar. If necessary, add a drop of pure honey. Detox juices for the liver. In addition to herbal teas, natural juices can be a refreshing and highly nutritious option to support your liver. Here are 2 effective combinations. Beet, green apple, and ginger juice. This juice improves circulation, stimulates liver cleansing, and provides antioxidants. Blend half a cooked beet, a green apple, and a small piece of fresh ginger with water. Drink it on an empty stomach or as a snack. Green juice with spinach, cucumber, and lemon, ideal for hydration, reducing inflammation, and aiding digestion. Blend a handful of fresh spinach, half a cucumber, the juice of half a lemon, and a glass of water. You can add a few mint leaves to enhance the flavor. Juices should be consumed fresh, unstrained, to preserve the fiber. Avoid sweetening them. If you need more sweetness, add a ripe pear or a small piece of fresh pineapple. Daily habits that rejuvenate. It's not just what you eat that impacts your liver, but also what you do every day. There are simple, accessible, and free habits you can incorporate into your routine to improve liver health without the need for supplements or expensive treatments. Drink warm lemon water upon waking. This habit activates the digestive system, helps cleanse waste accumulated during the night, and stimulates bile production. Walk for at least 30 minutes every day. Gentle movement, such as walking or yoga, improves blood and lymphatic circulation, which promotes natural liver detoxification. Eat an early, light dinner. Your liver performs cleansing and regeneration functions while you sleep. If you eat a late or heavy dinner, you disrupt this process. Ideally, eat something light 2 or 3 hours before bedtime. Sleep well and at regular times. Traditional Chinese medicine indicates that the liver performs its most intense detoxification work between 2 and 4 a.m. Sleeping soundly during this time supports its natural function. Avoid alcohol and unnecessary medications. The liver metabolizes these substances. Although some medications are necessary, many are taken uncontrollably. It's always a good idea to consult with your doctor about reducing your dose or finding natural alternatives. Breathe deeply. Yes, breathing also cleanses. Deep, conscious breathing helps oxygenate the blood and reduces stress, another major enemy of the liver. Use natural oils for cooking. Avoid fried foods and trans fats. Prefer olive, avocado, or coconut oil in small amounts and in simple preparations. Take breaks to stretch and move your body if you sit for long periods of time. Physical stagnation also affects liver function, especially if you spend hours in the same position. Avoid constipation. If your bowels don't eliminate properly, toxins remain in the body longer, and your liver has to work twice as hard. A diet rich in fiber, water, and herbal teas helps maintain regularity. Give thanks before bed. It may seem symbolic, but a calm emotional state helps your liver function better. Constant stress disrupts its functions. A positive thought at the end of the day can change more than you think. Your liver works for you day and night. These small habits are loving ways to give it back the care it deserves. Spring, the liver's best ally. Spring doesn't just bring flowers and longer days. According to traditional Chinese medicine, this season is deeply connected to the liver. It's a time of renewal, cleansing, and awakening, both for nature and for our bodies. After winter, a time of heavy meals and less movement, our metabolism picks up. We feel more energy, a greater need for fresh air and fresh food. This is the ideal opportunity to naturally support liver function. The liver is also associated with emotions. That's why, in spring, we may feel more sensitive, irritable, or need to let go of what's been stored up. This isn't a coincidence, it's the body releasing what it no longer needs. What can you do? Prioritize green, fresh foods. Cut down on processed foods, breathe deeply, open your windows, and walk outdoors. These are simple, yet deeply regenerating gestures. Creating a weekly cleansing ritual, a day of fluids, fruit, rest, and silence, can make a huge difference. It's not about forcing it, but about going with the flow of the season. And remember, the liver also governs creativity. It's a great time to write, paint, redecorate, or start something new. Because cleansing the body is also awakening the soul. Your liver works silently, but it feels every decision you make. After 50, supporting it isn't a trend, it's a profound act of self-love. Today you discovered that with small changes, a herbal tea, a mindful meal, a deep breath, you can transform your well-being from within. It's not about being 20 again, but about feeling alive, light, and in harmony with your current stage. Your body speaks to you, and listening to it is the first step toward a life with more energy, clarity, and balance. Remember, health isn't restored by haste, but by perseverance. Start today with a loving gesture. Because when you take care of yourself, everything changes. If this content inspired you, I invite you to subscribe, like, and comment. Which of these tips are you going to apply first? See you in the next video.